Good morning, children. Hoping all of you are fine and safe. Dear students, in the previous class, we have done chapter 7, exercise 7b, part 2, till question number 8. Now, today we are going to start question number 10. Let us see. If 5 power minus p equals to 4 power minus q equals to 20 power r, so that or prove that 1 by p plus 1 by q plus 1 by r equals to 0. So let us see. Let here we will assume let 5 power minus p equals to 4 power minus q equals to 20 power r be k, that is equal to k. K is a constant term. So we will write down 5 power minus p equals to k. So 5 is equal to k power minus 1 by p. When we will transpose this power to the either left side or right side, then it will become in fraction. If it is 2, then it will become 1 by 2. If it is 1 by 2, then it will become 2. We have to reciprocate them. Similarly, 4 power minus q is equal to k. So 4 is equal to k power minus 1 by q. And 20 power r is equal to k. Therefore, 20 is equal to k power 1 by r. Now, 20 equals to k power 1 by r. It is already given. So, how will write down 20? 5 for the 20. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. That is equal to, we got it here, k power 1 by r. 20 is equal to k power 1 by r. Now putting the value of 5 and 4 in this equation. Let us put it. What is the value of 5? 5 is equal to k power minus 1 by p. So we'll write down in place of 5 power minus 1 by p into, in place of 4, we'll write down k power minus 1 by q equals to k power 1 by r. Now we'll take it, their bases are same, so we'll take it common, k. And in case of multiplication, power should be added, so we'll write down minus 1 by p plus minus 1 by q equals to k power 1 by r. Now k minus power minus 1 by p, here plus into minus, it will be minus 1 by q equals to k power 1 by r. Now bases are same, so their powers will also be equal. So we'll write down like this, minus 1 by p minus 1 by q equals to 1 by r. Therefore, now we will transpose this 1 by p and 1 by q to the right hand side. It will become 1 by r plus 1 by p plus 1 by r is equal to 0. Why? Because these both are same. So when we will subtract equal from the equal, we will get it 0. Hence proved. In this way we can prove it. Let us see next one, question number 12. If 5 power x plus 1 equals to 25 power x minus 2, find the value of 3 power x minus 3 into 2 power 3 minus x. So let us see. 5, it is given 5 power x plus 1 equals to 5. In place of 25, we can write down 5 square, that is equal to 25 power x minus 2. So 5 power x plus 1 is equal to 5. Now we will multiply this power, because when the power is written inside the bracket and outside the bracket, then both the powers will be multiplied. So let us multiply 4 into x, 2 into x, it will be 2x minus 4. So 5 power x plus 1 is equal to 5 power 2x minus 4. Now their bases are same, so their power will also be equal. So we can write down x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 4. Now we'll transpose them to their like terms. 1, this 4 will come to the left hand side, it will become plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 2x minus x. So 2x minus x will be x and 1 plus 4 will be 5. So x is equal to 5. Now we have to put it this value. Now putting the value, by putting the value of x in the given equation, 3 power x minus 3 into 2 power 3 minus x. Let us put it their value. 3 into, in place of x we will write down 5 minus 3 into 2 into 3 minus 5. So 5 minus 3 will be 2 into 2, 3 minus 5 will be minus 2. So 3 power 2 is equal to 9 into, power is given in negative form, so it will reciprocal. Let us make them reciprocal. So it will be 1 by 2 power 2, that is equal to 9 by 4. This will be our answer. Let us see the next one, question number 14. Solve for x. 4 power x minus 1 into 0.5 power 3 minus 2x equals to 1 by 8 power minus x. Let us see. we will write down 4 as 2 power 2 power bracket close power x minus 1 it is given into, in place of 0.5 we can write down 5 by 10 bracket close power 3 minus 2x it is already given equals to, here power is in the negative form. So what we will do, first we will convert it like this, 1 by, in place of 8 we will write down 2 power 3 bracket close power minus x. Now 2 power, we will multiply this power, their powers, so it will be 2x minus 2 into 5 2 are 10, so it will be 1 by 2 power 3 minus 2x is equal to, now the power is in the negative form, so it will be reciprocal, or we will transpose this 2 power 3 to the numerator. In that case we have to make it their power negative. It is reciprocating, no, so its power will be 2 power minus 3 bracket close, and again it is given minus x as a power. So we will write down 2 power 2x minus 2 into 2 power, now here this we will reciprocate this fraction, so it will become 2 power minus 1 bracket close, so 3 power minus 2x it is already given is equal to, here minus 3 into minus x will be plus 3x. If you will multiply minus minus plus, 3 into x 3x. Now 2 power 2x minus 2 into 2 power, now let us multiply this whole power by minus 1, then it will be minus 3 minus into minus plus 2x is equal to 3 power 3x. Then we will see 2 power 2x minus 2, their bases are same, so we will add their power. So let us add their power. 2x minus 2 bases are same, and in case of multiplication, remember it, we will add their power. So 2x minus 2 plus minus 3x plus 2x is equal to 2 power 3x. Now let us remove this bracket. 2 power 2x minus 2 plus into minus it will be minus 3 plus into plus plus 2x is equal to 2 power 3x. Now 2x plus 2x it will be 4x, and minus 2 minus 3 it will be minus 5 is equal to 2 power 3x. Now bases are same, then their power will also be equal. So 4x minus 5 is equal to 3x. So 4x is 4x, and this 3x will transpose to the left side, so it will be 4x minus 3x is equal to 5. So 4x minus 3x is equal to 1x is equal to 5. This will be our answer. Now we will see the next question on fourth part. 2 power 3x plus 3 equals to 2 power 3x plus 1 plus 48. Let us see. Their powers are they are adding, we are adding their powers. When we are adding their powers, when their bases are same in case of multiplication, no, so we will write down this like this, 2 power 3x, and this 2 for this 3 also, 2 power 3 is equal to, similarly we will write down here also 2 power 3x into 2 power 1 plus 48. Now 2 power will transpose this term to the left hand side, so 2 power 3x into 2 power 3, when this term will come to the left hand side it will become minus 2 power 3x into 2 power 1, this is also plus, so it will convert it into minus 48 is equal to 0. When equal subtracted from the equal, then their answer will be, result will be 0. So 2 power 3x into 2 power 3 minus 2 power 3x into 2 power 1, now we'll transpose this 48 to the left hand side, so it will become positive. When it will go to the that side, its sign will be changed, so it is 48. Now we'll take it to 2 power 3x as a common, so this side we have taken outside the bracket, then here 2 power 3 will remaining minus 2 power 3x we have already taken outside, so 2 power 1 will become remaining here, that is equal to 48. Now 2 power 3x bracket open, 2 power 3 means 8 minus 2 power 1 means 2 bracket close is equal to 48. So 2 power 3x is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 is equal to 48. Now 2 power 3x is equal to 48, we will transpose to this side, it will become denominator 6, 8 are 48, so 2 power 3x is equal to 8, so 2 power 3x is equal to, we will write down this 8 as 2 power 3. So their bases are same, therefore their powers will also be equal. Therefore we can write down 3x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 by 3. So 3 will cancel out. Here it will be 1. So x is equal to 1. So 1 will be our answer. Therefore children, today this much only. We will see next in the next class. Thank you.